Hey guys, just a small update about Google professional certificates. Google offers 5 professional certificates in data analytics, project management, UX design, IT support, and IT automation. And these certifications are 6 months long and it can prepare you for the entry level job in their respective fields. And if you'd like to explore these professional certifications, which can help you get a job, I'll leave the link in description. Do check it out. And now let us see some free financial analytics courses through which you can start learning about financial analytics or analysis, and you can start your career in as a financial analyst. So through these courses you can gain some knowledge which is required for a professional financial analyst. So the courses which we'll be seeing in this video are absolutely free of cost, and it's offered by LinkedIn Learning, and you do not have to pay for any of these courses. You can straight away log in and enroll in the courses for free of cost. I'll show you everything. So now let's start seeing what are the courses that are available for free. So the first one is Strategic Planning Foundations course, and here in the course page on the right side you can see here contents, and under that you can see here what are the modules that you have for this course and what's included in this particular course. So for this particular course you have 7 different modules, and here you can see that you have one exercise file, you have 7 quizzes, and if you want to know what are the skills that you will be gaining by taking this course, you can also see that here it is mentioned here. And after completing the course you can get a shareable certificate from LinkedIn Learning, and you can also get to know about your instructor. You can simply click on their name here and you can see their LinkedIn profile and see more details about them. And here you can see the course reviews as well. All the courses in LinkedIn Learning will be of very high quality, so you do not have to worry about the course quality here in LinkedIn Learning. As you can see here, this course has 4.6 out of 5. So all the courses will be very good. Make use of it. So this is the first one in our list. Next one is Financial Accounting Foundations. For this course you have nearly 2 hours content, and you have 5 modules starting from the accounting basics. Financial statement is covered, the mechanics of accounting, current issues in financial accounting, financial statement analysis. And for this course you have 1 exercise and 5 quizzes, and here you can see all other details. This course is taken by 2 different instructors and it has a very good rating as well. Make use of this one. And moving on to the next course, we have Financial Modeling Foundations, which is a 3 hours course in which you can learn about financial modeling basics, corporate financial modeling, evaluating corporate financial models, and you'll learn a lot more things. Next one is Excel Analyzing and Visualizing Cash Flows. This is a short course, like you have 1 hour 15 minutes of content, and this is an intermediate level course. So start with the courses of beginner skill level and then you can move on to the intermediate skill level courses. Next one is Excel Tracking Data Easily and Efficiently. This is a 1.5 hours video course. All these are video courses of course, and you have 7 different modules for this particular course. Next one is Financial Modeling and Forecasting Financial Statements course. For this course you have 6 modules and you have 6 quizzes as well. This is also an intermediate level course. You have 2 hours content. Next one is Running a Profitable Business, Understanding Financial Ratios, in which you have 8 modules which will account for the 2 hours content. This is a beginner level course. Next one is Corporate Financial Statement Analysis course, and then you have Managerial Economics course, and then the final one is Excel Economic Analysis and Data Analytics. So we have seen courses from beginner to intermediate level in this 10 courses which we saw now. So there are 10 courses. All these are available for free. Now let me tell you how you can enroll in these courses. For example, let's say you want to enroll in this Strategic Planning Foundations course. So what you have to do is simply click on this sign in button that you see here at the right top, and it will direct you to a page like this. And here what you need to do is click on this join now link, and once you click on join now you will be directed to another page which will look something like this. And here just provide your email ID or phone number and set a password for your account and click on agree and join. or else you can also use your Google account to create your account in LinkedIn. And once you are done with this, I mean once you're logged into your account, you can start learning for free. I'll just log into my account and catch up after that. So now, as you can see here, I have logged into my account. Since we clicked on the sign in button from the course page, like I said, we are directed to the course itself. And in the left side, you can see all the contents, everything will be given here. You can just go through it. So now let me tell you how you can get your certificate. So once you are done with the course, what you need to do is click on this show all near certificates, which you will see under related to this course section. So click on show all near certificates and you will see a window like this, and here you can see what are the different certificates that you can get for this particular course. I haven't completed the course yet. So once you complete the course, you will be able to click on this and download your certificate for the course which you complete. So I hope you'll find something useful here. We saw a lot of courses, and if you want to get more updates about online courses or certification programs, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.